it's time for us to add collection to our Shopify website. So to add collection to our Shopify store, all you need to do is in your Shopify dashboard, click on the products and then click on collections. We don't have any collection yet here. Let's create one by creating a collection. We have to enter basic information here. We have to enter the title and then a brief description. Then we have to select the collection type and we have an option to set a featured image as well. Now we can start by adding a title name first. I'm adding t-shirt in my first collection. Time to add description now. Now we need to select the collection type. It can be manual or automated if you want. Add each product manually. To add your collection, select the manual type. Else, you can go with automated collection, where you have to set variation based on your product, which can be filtered. It can match condition and add particular collection type. For example, I want to every product whose price is greater than $100, then should be done by using this condition. As you create as many conditions as you want before, but now I suggest that you can proceed. So let's remove all this because it's not the manual is the most suitable one. I will also talk about automated methods later in our course. You can see that our t-shirt collection will look like this, and I will be discussing the SEO part later in the course. Once you are done editing, description and other thing, it's time to select the collection image. A collection image is basically a featured image that will represent your collection in my like t-shirt. So I will add image of t-shirt. Click on add image here, then select my featured image for t-shirt. And once it's done, simply click on save. It will be saved. Now if you want to preview this collection on your live store, simply click here, your online store. It will direct you to the page where the products are appearing in the collection right now, and they are added. So it's right now it's dummy, so we'll get on. So let's add a new feature or more collection. Similarly, we'll add the necessary details like title, name of description, collection type, and then click save. We can add more collection by repeating the same. So here you can see I've quickly added various collection here. You can add more collection to your store later as well. Once collection has been created, it's time for us to start adding products. So let's click on all products, and it's empty, so we don't have any products. So let's click on add products. And now on this page, we have the option. On this page, we have to add product title and the product description, image product, then the product status, it's active or draft mode. Option, you have to select vendor, select product type, collections. You can add product images here as well. This is the pricing section. The inventory here, you have all the option available. Here beside you have a lot of more options. Here you can set weights and other stuff. So you can complete customization for the product in the Shopify. So now it's time to show how to add detail. First, start with entering the product title. Then now I'm entering the description. Then let's add image here. Coming next is the price section. In case you want to calculate your profit, you can add cost per item here. So this way you will be able to see how much profit you are making during the sale. If you want to enable tax on this product, you can simply enable this option. You have option here to add SKU. Barcodes also added here. Now, if you want to continue selling when you are out of stock, then you can enable. You can add quantity here as well. It is important to add quantity here, otherwise the product will be shown out of stock unless you click this option. You have all option available here. Now you have option to calculate shipping. You can simply need to add weight here. You can select the country or the region where your product is manufactured. In my case, my t-shirt is made in Australia, so I'm selecting that. Now if you want to add HS code, you can do that, or you have of this option available here. Next is on the variance, like what is the size of the product, then you can add it here. In the same way, you want to add product colors, materials, or style, you can do it all of that here, but I will talk about this in detail later. In this video, because it has more things to explain, you'll be able to add different images to each variant. You will get also a lot of options here. Now once you have added detail, you can see the size of variant here. We'll discuss later because we have to set quantity of each of them. Now once I'm done, to the right side where you have an option to select vendor. In my case, my own vendor, so I'm not mentioning any vendor here. Otherwise, this option is useful for multi-vendor businesses or website. Now here you have to set product type. So if you want to give it a product type, do that on the basis of material you have here. You can select the collection. So let's click and then select t-shirts. You can see the list of collection here, which previously added to our store. Now coming on is to tags. You can add tags related here to the t-shirts or whatever your product is. Now I will add the tag name as well, that is off white. You can add more and more tags based on what product is about. Don't forget to make your active and save. Congratulations on your first product is live now. Now if you want to preview your product, you can simply click on view product with active status, and then you can update the products. Let's preview them. So let's click on view button here, and now you can see the product is live here. You can see details like name, pricing, and size here. You can add to the cart from here or click buy it to buy the product. You can share this on social media with the description, so you can see how it's easy to add a product to Shopify store. Now the following the same procedure, I will add a few more products to my store. So you guys, you can see all the products that I have added onto my store. In order to view how these products are going on your store, you simply hover on any this product and click on this button. Then you can see, you'll be able to see if the product is live on your store. Now if you click on add cart, you can see it has been added, and now you can click checkout, and this will lead you to the checkout page. Yeah, the buyers need to add all the stuff and information and simply continue shipping. We'll discuss this more later. For now, let's move back to our home page. And on our home page, we have added section here, but on the left collection, we have left collection, so it's not good here. So to make our website more beautiful, it's time to edit this section. Let's go, move back to home, then online store, then let's edit list. We need to edit this list manually. Collection, I'm selecting the collection here from which I want to add a collection list, then click select. We have to repeat this process which of the add, and then you can delete collection from the list. If you, in case you don't have you don't want to add one. So to delete this block, let's go back into block and then click remove block. We have successfully added the collection now. We have option to customize the heading as well, remaining it as our collection. As we proceed further, we are successfully making our store looking more elegant. Once more, we have a padding section. We have to move ahead or towards the featured collection from which product. Some products will be displayed here. So go back or side back, click on featured collection. You need to select, I want to select jackets as my featured collection. Once done, click on select. You see that some products from jackets have been displayed. Here, scrolling down onto this feature, click on the featured product here and have option to select product here. From here, you can make any product as your featured product. You can make your top selling product as featured product. So I'm making slim fit jeans as my featured product. You can see this is how the section looks. More option available here. You can show vendors. You can show variant labels and show the dynamic check button. We can hide this button as well, like this. Now once everything is done, you can see that our website is completely looking professional. Earlier we discussed this section on video, but in my case I don't have to add the video right now. I simply click on the move section. Now the thing is incomplete with the blog posts section, so I would edit this section. I will discuss this later in this video. Let's talk about how to change sequence. For example, I want to make this section to be top somewhere. So I will simply hold it, and from here I will drag it to the top. So this is how our store looks, and you can make changes to it as per your requirement. Once everything is in place, click save. Now I'm clicking on exit. Click on the view store button to check my store, the buyer point of view. My store looks completely as well as professional now. You can go to any of these products and click or hover over it. You can see some relative products have been showcased. So this is a perfect example of how you can create a fashion store using Shopify. In fact, you can create any type of web page using this method without anyone help. Thank you.